Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's J. Marie Louise and I'm back again with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Oak Essentials product review. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box right here by Oak Essentials. It's my glass box. Let me cut it open real quick. So Oak Essentials foundational skincare rooted in nature, and it just this little card and it tells you about the brand, and then it shows you like the products and everything. So I got like this cute little hairband right here. And then it's the mini routine. So what's in this box is it's a cleansing balm, a balancing mist, a ritual oil, and a moisture rich balm, and a restorative mask. So this is the box right here, and it tells you everything that's in the box. So, you slide it open. These are just the mini samples right here. And this is the balancing mist right here. It gives like spa. Like if you were going to have a spa day, or if you were going to a spa, like, yeah, this is what it's given. And then this is the ritual oil right here. Yeah, this gives me spa vibes. And then this is the cleansing balm, the little sample. Smells good. And then this is the restorative mask. I just like to smell things. Now, this brand kind of reminds me of the Elemis skincare line. It just gives me spa vibes, and I like that. And this one is the moisture rich balm right here. I think when I do like one of my mini spa days, I might give these products a try just to see how I like it. And if you want to try these products out, you can purchase them from Ulta Beauty, and you can try them out and see how you like them too. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you. Bye.